Hey folks, Jordan with My Strategic Forecasts Inside the Numbers Live, and I wanted to take you through one of the busiest trading days I had in the markets. We had come into the month end, and there were 7 stocks on the move to watch out for on what would otherwise be a Friday float. I ended up trading 4 of those stocks, with a 5th one that hit its level, but I didn't end up trading. But get this, 2 of those stocks I ended up trading off 2 different levels, Alibaba and Procter & Gamble. And to make it even more of a challenge, several of them hit their levels right out of the gate. That's why this video highlights the importance of the staged orders that I use. You see, before the market opens, I will go in and I'll plug in orders to buy the stocks in the move when they get to the various price levels. These staged orders, I can then use them to fire off a limit order to take part of the trade off at my first profit target after I've already bought at the price level. Once the stock hits the profit target, it then fires off another limit order for a higher target while setting a stop loss back at break even for the rest. That way I can shoot for a little bit more and have a risk-free trade otherwise on the remaining shares. When there are only a few stocks to trade, I can do all this by hand. But as you'll see in this video, when they all hit at once, these staged orders come in very handy.
I'm going to go ahead and put in P&G right now. And Alibaba, just because we're close on those but not there. So P&G did open above, Edwards. I got Edwards opening above. TTD is right there. Go ahead and send that one. And Intel is right there.
Now, before I let the video go on, I want to take you through what you just heard. If you look right in here, in this area, you'll notice that it shows 36 shares filled and then 24 shares filled. What happened immediately after the buy, and this was actually within split seconds, was that it filled the sell order. That's something I can't do manually. Only with the staged order was I able to actually execute something of this speed and lock in a profit that quickly.
Order filled.
So Intel is there. So I already bought and sold part of P&G. That happened really that fast. That was those first 2 order fills. This isn't the one I want, Intel. All right, so Edwards came in and it bounced away, so I'm going to go ahead and just leave Edwards off.
Order filled.
Go ahead and cut that. Go to TTD up here so we can see it.
Order filled.
All right, got out a part of TTD already, so I got a trade there.
Order filled.
Got out of another part of TTD, so that is a double winner for me.
So at this point, I had locked in profits on Procter & Gamble, the trade desk, and ultimately did pretty well on Intel and another level with Procter & Gamble. Now, Alibaba unfortunately didn't work out too well for me off either level, but using some of the coursework and the ideas that David teaches, I was able to mitigate the losses and walk away with a nice profit for the day overall. So hopefully this video helps you understand some of the different tools and techniques that I teach in the live room and ways that you can augment your trading to become more organized and proficient and extract as much profit as possible out of any trade. I hope that you'll join me in the live room. It's a great way to learn how to trade the market. There's a 7-day free trial for anybody that's interested to make sure that it's right for you. My name is Jordan with My Strategic Forecasts Inside the Numbers Live. Thanks for joining.